Once upon a time, there lived a little girl named Snow White. She lived with her aunts and uncle because her parents were dead. One day, she heard her uncle and aunts talking about leaving Snow White in the castle because they both want to go to America and didn't have enough money to take Snow White. Snow White did not want her uncle and aunts to do this, so she decided it would be best if she ran away. Next morning, she ran away from home when her aunt and uncle were having breakfast. She ran away into the woods. Then she saw this little cottage. She knocked, but no one answered, so she went inside and fell asleep. Meanwhile, the seven dwarfs were coming home from work. They went inside. There they found Snow White sleeping. Then Snow White woke up. She saw the dwarfs outside. "What is your name?" Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." Went up the dwarfs said, "If you wise, you might live here with us." Snow White said, "Oh God, thank you." Then Snow White told me the whole story, and Snow White and the seven dwarfs lived happily ever after.